Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering and pairing the WH-1000XM4. Make sure the battery is charged. A quick 10-minute USB-C charge gives about 3 hours. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app so you can control features and update firmware. To pair, hold the power button for roughly 7 seconds until the voice prompt says Bluetooth pairing. Then select WH-1000XM4 in your phone or laptop Bluetooth list. Once done, confirm connection in the app so you can customize settings and you now refine how the headphones behave and sound. In the app, switch between active noise cancellation and ambient sound. Quick attention mutes audio when you place your hand over the right ear cup. Next, enable DCHX and tweak the EQ or sound position to restore clarity and bassfulness. Make sure multi-point pairing is set if you want 2 devices connected simultaneously. Finally, map touch controls and timing. This reduces accidental skips and lets you handle calls without digging for your phone. You finish by optimizing comfort and reliability. Rotate the ear cups and adjust the headband so the pads seal around your ears. That improves ANC and low end. Enable speak to chat and test call clarity, then check for firmware updates in the app to fix bugs. Clean the pads gently with a dry cloth and store in the case. If audio fails or controls misbehave, reset the headset by holding power and NC buttons for about 7 to 10 seconds, then repair. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.